Right now, let's get to some breaking developments out in California. They're still on the highest possible alert out there. A dangerous weather forecast covering parts of Los Angeles and Ventura counties. Officials bracing for these deadly wildfires possibly to spread even more than they have, or maybe more fires could pop up. We've been talking over the last few days about the winds. Right now, crews fighting back flames on 4 fronts. Death toll is at 25, they say, and officials say that number certainly could rise as more than 24 people are still missing, with thousands of families displaced and trying to figure out what they're going to do next. FEMA now opening up 2 disaster recovery centers in the area. Communities also are organizing pop-up donation sites to help out their neighbors. And NewsNation's West Coast correspondent Nancy Liu is live at this donation site today and has been reporting from there. What's the latest, Nancy?
Oh, this is an incredible effort, Connell. Amid the heartbreak and loss, there is hope and just amazing spirit among Los Angeles residents. Behind me is a line that stretches over a mile back that way. They are coming in. This is the effort of the Dream Center, which is a nonprofit Christian network. And this is just one of many efforts around LA. So the cars coming in, they can pick up some in and out if they want, but they're getting water and diapers and baby formula. They go in a big loop around, and these 2 lanes coming towards us, these are people dropping off donations, and we've seen a nonstop line of people giving. Look, that whole trailer is filled with donations, and in speaking with fire victims, they are so thankful. Take a listen.
No, I haven't.
So much material to give you.
I know.
And how much do you need it?
Badly. Like, this is crazy. You don't know until you lose everything, or whatever happens to you, or whatever. You're never prepared for anything, whether, directly or indirectly, you're just not prepared.
And the Dream Center is also offering some temporary housing to fire victims. I mean, as many rooms as they can. Obviously, the need for housing is so great here in Los Angeles, with over 10,000 people losing their homes. But just this drive-through donation center, Connell, I'm told this goes all day long. It never stops. But you know what? The donations coming in, they never stop either.
Well, that's some good news, right? People doing what they can, Nancy. Thank you, Nancy Liu out there. Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.